Good morning. We are now 2 weeks and 1 day into coronavirus quarantine, and I'm about to start my biggest project yet for the paint pouring, and that is this big Ikea table here, which is probably 2 feet by 2 feet. I have two of them. There's another one there, and my first one that I'm doing is going to be for our side porch. First thing I'll do is put a layer of paint on top, and then I'll be using these colors. It took me about an hour to mix that brown. And then the base is going to be this black over here. So, I begin. Okay, I have been working on the table for a while now, and this is what it looks like as a wet paint project. I've cleaned up the legs. I have more cleanup to do to get some of the drips off here, like that, with a wet washcloth. But this is how it looks wet, and it will look different when it's dry. You could see that because I put silicone oil in the white paint, cells are blossoming through all of the colors coming from the white paint. It looks very bumpy and uneven right now. I'm not happy with that. I'm hoping that when it dries and I spray it with a preservative, that won't be so visible. But right now, I like the way the colors have combined, and can't wait to see what it looks like when it's really finished.